Hello my friends, welcome. I'm for the moment collecting quite some pallets, and today I will show you how to make little beams with wood pallet. It's a bit cold outside, so I'm wearing the best coat in the world. Let's go. So it happens that I have a lot of choice today, so I will take rather thicker board for having a squared beam. So here's the winner. This is 2 centimeters thickness. So this pallet is a bit special, so let's see if it's not difficult to remove, but it's a good experience. It's another one for my collection of dismantling pallets. So the peculiarity here is that you have some connections done between the different boards. So the classical combo, the little sledgehammer, the wrecking spar and the nail remover. So now I won't go into the details because you have already a detailed video for dismantling pallets. So it's really easy going because the nails, as it's cold, are retracted. Here are my boards and my future cleats. So lessons learned today, it's rather cold, which makes that the nails are retracted, which makes that it's going very easy out from the wood. This is not without reminding us the reaction of a masculine organ when it's cold. And as I have a lot of pallets, I'll take the opportunity for creating a little workbench. Now we're removing these nails from the boards. So it was a good idea for you to watch this video because I made a very nice discovery for rough wood. So there are 2 options: either you sand them, or the other option is to plane them. And planing them is a great solution because it gives you a very good result, and it's by far taking less time. Nevertheless, in case you don't have any planer, you can also watch my video about how to sand rough wood. And here I'm using an electric planer, and it's really absolute great. So here I'm first fixing the board with a speed clamp, that it doesn't move anymore, and now I'm showing you the planing. I'm closing the door, otherwise it may provide a lot of dust. So now I'm showing you the planing. It's just fantastic. So let's go. Here its setting is a bit less than 1. So you see here, it's almost good, and here it is rough, so it's much rougher. Now I'm making several turns until I have a good result. I'm just changing the side. So I'm also doing the sides. the other side. So here the little issue is that the wood is still a bit wet, and this is not ideal for the planing. So here you see the result after the planing. It's absolutely okay. And now I'll be cutting some 2 centimeters so that I have a square cleat. Now that I've planed, I'm just checking if I didn't lose too much thickness. It's still at 2. So now I'm taking the circular saw. You can also do this with a jigsaw, but you will have a less good result. And I'm taking my little lateral guide. If need be, check my video about how to use the lateral guide. And this is my little cleat. And as already my setting, they are directly cutting without marking. I'm really very satisfied now. That's it, my friends. Now I have ideal cleat, absolutely perfect. And I will now be using them for preparing this bookshelf, which is initially a bed frame. So in case you have interest for having a free and very nice bookshelf, don't hesitate to join the next video. So see you in a second on Happy Hour TV 1.